Have you been trying to apply for your Morocco e-visa? Then this video is definitely for you. Hi, my name is Bimi and I love to travel. In February this year, I went to Morocco and I spent a week and some days there. And I uploaded a video about my travel to Morocco where I spoke about my e-visa, I spoke about the Airbnb, feeding and every other activities I did when I went to Morocco. However, I've noticed that some people still find it a bit difficult to apply for their Morocco e-visa. So this video is just to give you a step-by-step on how to apply for your Morocco e-visa. And guess what, guys? It's still possible for you to go to Morocco this year. Yeah, trust me, you can still go to Morocco this year in as much as your passport still has validity of 3 months and you have your PRP card with you that is not going to expire anytime soon. So stick around to the end of this video. Hello to my subscribers, those who are just watching me for the first time, kindly subscribe, like, share and click on notification bell. I'm just going to go right to the video. However, I would like to say something that when you see me checking my phone from time to time is because I'm just trying to go through the process as I tell you guys how to do it step by step. First thing you want to do before you apply for your Morocco e-visa is to make sure that you have a valid passport. Now, what is termed as a valid passport? Number one, it has to be up to date in the sense that the expiry date shouldn't be before you intend traveling or a month before your travel date or even a month after your travel date. You have to have enough dates left, meaning, let's say for instance you are traveling today, you need to have a 3-month validity on your passport. This same thing goes to your PRP card is issued by the UK government to individuals staying in the UK as residents. Now, this PRP card gives you an opportunity to travel to some countries without even having to apply for visa, and it also gives you an opportunity to apply for some countries e-visa, just like the Morocco e-visa. So I will just go right into this video and give you a step-by-step process. It's not going to take you a lot of time. You need to click on the link below where it says application for Morocco e-visa. The first thing you're going to see is, do I need a visa to enter Morocco? Right. The first thing you would definitely do is put in the country that you are a citizen of. Just like myself, I am a citizen of Nigeria. I am a Nigerian, so I would definitely put Nigeria into this information. Now, the second thing is country of resident. I am a resident of the United Kingdom, so I'm definitely going to state that as well. Now, the document type is ordinary passport. Ordinary passport, guys. Now, purpose of this trip is for tourism. You are not going there for business. If you're going for business, fine, but this one is for tourism, so you want to put in tourism, guys. Please take note, follow through, tourism. Now, the next thing you want to do is it will ask you a question: do you have another valid visa? In my own case, I do not. Moving forward, when you click on check, something will pop up and it will state, according to the information entered, please submit your e-visa application to Morocco. Then you click apply for e-visa. Apply for e-visa. Now, once you click on that, the first thing it will show is this. Now, it will say one show of 6. State that you put in your email address, and you should also confirm the email address. So once you put in your correct, please guys, please and please, this is very, very important, put in correct information because you would need this, the correct information. So what is your email address? Put it there, confirm your email address, and also click I am not a robot. Okay, so moving forward, you click enter, and once you click enter, it states that an email has been sent to you. Please check it to complete your e-visa. In case of difficulties, contact us at so on and so forth. But in this case, I just closed this and I moved on to my email address. So when I went to my email address, I saw the email they said they've sent correctly, and the part where it says to complete your e-visa, please click here. Just click on that here, that highlighted here. Just click on it and it will take you to the next step, which is step 2 short of 6. Now it will ask you for your nationality. You feel that already. Country of residence, you feel that already, so you don't need to do that again. Now, what is your date of birth? I already put in my date of birth. I'm sorry for this video, I just put in wrong information. However, I will state it again, kindly put in the correct information if you really want your e-visa. Okay, so the next thing is to click next. Go to the third page, right, which is travel condition. Now, travel condition, you need to click on everything. It says that you need to have 70 euros per day minimum. 70 euros per day minimum. So if you are going to be staying in Morocco for 7 days, please multiply this by 7. So that is 70 by 7. Please and please don't make the mistake. Now let's move forward. Once you click on next, it will take you to the page 4 where you have your personal information. Guys, please and please, I will say this again, put in the correct information. Make sure you do not make any mistakes when it comes to the spelling. Also, your family name is your surname or your last name, and your first name is your name, right? So you put in that information, you move to the next thing, place of birth, your mobile number. If you are applying from the UK, definitely change this to your UK number. Then put in your email address, put in your country of citizenship, put in your occupation, put in passport number, date it was issued, date of expiry. Then you click next. Once you click on next, the next thing you're going to see is page 5 or 6 where it asks you about your residency. So you need to put your residency permit number and the expiry date of your BRP. Now it's going to ask you rather that when do you expect to travel. Now you can put in the date you want to travel and also the time you want to leave Morocco. Now this is the last page, right? So this last page, it wants you to submit the documents you have claimed to have, like your passport, your BRP, and also a photograph, a passport photograph. Your passport also goes a long way. They need to know who they are giving the visa to. So once you put in that correctly, then you click on save, and the next thing is just to make the payment, the visa payment. So guys, I have come to the end of this video. If this video has been very helpful to you, kindly subscribe. Please guys, this will mean a lot to me. Please and please subscribe. I don't know how the process is if you don't have residency in another country as a Nigerian, but this is how it's supposed to be if you are a resident of another country but a citizen of Nigeria. Thank you once again for watching this video. However, I would like to show you guys something. This is not a sponsored video. This is not an ad. This is just something I really like, and I think it would make a lot of sense to share with you guys. What do I want to share with you? It's actually a fragrance candle. Now, before I show you guys this fragrance candle, I would just like to say something on a personal level. I do not like fragrance. I get disturbed by it. It's as bad as I tend to have headache, right? However, I've been able to realize that there are some fragrances that are very soft, they don't choke you, they don't make you feel sick, right? Now this fragrance candle was actually given to me as a gift by my bridals. The moment I lit up this candle, I fell in love with it. This candle is wonderful. Right now I'm trying to order for more. I don't know if they ship to the UK, but I am really praying they do. So I just want to show you guys this candle because it is lovely. Like the moment you light up this candle, your house would be filled up with this lovely coffee scent. Like I'm not even joking. It won't choke you. It is not harsh. I don't feel sick. If you're the type of person that feels sick by fragrances a lot, trust me, this one is perfect for you. It will not even disturb you at all. It is so lovely. Not to talk too much, let me just show you this lovely candle. This is it. It's finished right now. This is empty. Well, not literally, but then I can't light this up anymore because it's just going to be a waste of time. So this candle, Nigerian brand, guys, very lovely, and it is made by Bogodi Lifestyle. I can't even I can't even explain the feeling, right? But this candle is wonderful. It is lovely, really lovely. I love the color, like black, the label, everything is just so wonderful, guys. I really love it. Please patronize this guy. I am not going to get any money from this. It's just it's just something good, and I feel like it makes a lot of sense to share, good news to you guys. So I'm just going to open it right now just to show you how it is on the inside. Ah, God, this is beautiful. Opening it alone, I could still perceive it. It's lovely, guys. This is lovely. So this is how it is on the inside, right? This has melted finish. So yeah, there's really nothing much for me to get out of this. So it says caramel coffee. Trust me, it is really caramel coffee. Your whole house and it lasts long. I mean, if you turn this on overnight, not to exaggerate, guys, you are definitely going to feel this fragrance for 2 to 3 days. I'm not even joking. Now I want to buy like 3 of this, so I'm going to put one here, the sitting room, then what's it called, in my own personal room. Yeah, this is lovely. This is very lovely. I don't need the regular air fresheners. This one is perfect for me already. So yeah, go and grab your own copy. Grab your own copy, and if you're nice enough, you can buy for me. Oh, I don't mind. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video, guys. This is my YouTube. Please subscribe, guys. Just click on it, click on the button, subscribe, share, like, and click on the notification bell for next time when I drop a video. I love you guys, truly.